Most people think trading is about action. Charts moving, prices jumping, trades firing off one after another. They imagine the best traders glued to their screens, constantly clicking, constantly reacting, making money every second. But the truth is far less glamorous and far more difficult to accept. The greatest edge in trading is not speed, strategy, or knowledge. It is patience. Patience feels unnatural because in almost every other area of life, activity is rewarded. Work harder, move faster, stay busy, and you are praised. But in trading, that same mindset becomes poison. Believing you must always be in a trade leads to small, constant losses that slowly bleed your account. The best traders often look unproductive. They can sit for days without clicking a single button, waiting for one perfect setup. They trade less often than beginners, but when they act, it's with clarity, conviction. Their trades are not guesses. They are strikes, strong enough to justify all the silence that came before. Waiting is difficult because it goes against our instincts. Our brains evolved to react quickly, grab food, flee danger, survive. Those same instincts now sabotage us in trading. Picture this. Hours pass, no setups. You promised yourself you'd only take high-quality trades, but boredom creeps in. You start convincing yourself a mediocre trade is enough. You click. And even as you do, deep down you know it's not what you were waiting for. That impatience defines most traders' careers. Not the wins, not the losses, but the inability to wait. The hardest part of trading is not executing a trade. It is surviving the silence between trades. That silence is not empty. It is where discipline is built. It is the filter that turns chaos into clarity. Patience gives trades their meaning. Without waiting, trades lose significance. It is the waiting that builds conviction, allowing you to hold winners, resist fear, and act with clarity. Think of trading like fishing. Yank the line every 2 seconds, and you catch nothing. The skilled fisherman casts, waits, and prepares for the moment the fish bites. Traders do the same. They journal, study, and sharpen their edge. This is active waiting. Patience resets emotions. After a trade, excitement, fear, greed, frustration. Waiting clears the mind, prevents compounding mistakes. Professionals think in time, not money. Great setups may appear only a few times a year, but one perfect trade outweighs 100 mediocre ones. Patience is not paralysis. True patience is waiting without fear and acting decisively when the opportunity comes. Warren Buffett said, "The market transfers wealth from the impatient to the patient." Jesse Livermore said, "Big money is not in buying or selling, but in waiting." The waiting game is lonely. Other traders flash profits while you wait. But impatience always catches up to them. The market rewards discipline, not busyness. Patience is invisible, unglamorous, but behind it lies power. Every bad trade avoided makes space for the right one. Patience is survival. Traders fail not because of the market, but because of themselves. Restlessness, greed, inability to wait. Patience protects capital. It provides perspective. It gives your system time to prove itself. Losses become part of the process, not crises. The market only rewards discipline and patience. Everything else comes second. If you can wait, you can win. If not, no amount of knowledge will save you. Patience is the silent strength behind every consistent trader. The quiet discipline that builds wealth without noise, without attention. So the next time the market goes quiet, when boredom whispers in your ear, when fear tells you to act when you shouldn't, remember this. Sometimes the most powerful move in trading is no move at all.